Hi guys, welcome back to the vlog. In today's vlog, we start out on my birthday weekend and we decided to open up my presents on the weekend before we went to go and celebrate and travel a little bit. So Steve got me an Apple Watch.
Then my iPad's like a pink.
Now, an Apple Watch is something I've been wanting for a really long time, and I'm really happy that he got it for me because I've been using it every single day since, and it's been super helpful in tracking like everything, and it gets me moving, it makes me feel accomplished, healthy, and it keeps me on track. Now, we actually took a day road trip to see some heritage sites up north. It was really worth it. We got to feed cows, get some catnip, eat lunch, go for walks, and overall we had an amazing time. When we got home, it was pretty late because it was a pretty far drive. So I celebrated the rest of the weekend with some champagne and a bubble bath in Bridgerton. I mean, how fancy is that? Literally the most fancy you could get. A bubble bath, Bridgerton, and champagne. I was so content. Good morning guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And this morning, it is June 17th. It's supposed to be like 40 degrees today. So I'm gonna go on a walk now because it's definitely going to be less hot in the morning. It's about 9:30 and I just had my coffee, or I've had half of it. I'm gonna take the rest of it with me on the walk with Elsa. And for my birthday, which you guys would have seen in the last vlog, Stephen got me the Apple Watch. So today's gonna be the first day that I actually like use it for a workout, which I'm really excited about because that's one of the main things about it. It tracks your workout, it tracks your heartbeat, whatever, all those kinds of things. It's just so insightful, so interesting, and so helpful. So yeah, let's go get ready to go on a morning walk with the dog. Okay, this is my look to go take Elsa on a walk. I'm wearing a top from Old Navy. These pants I think are like Forever 21 from like 2010, and they're just like cut off biker shorts. And I'm wearing socks I got from Costco. They're Tommy Hilfiger, and I'm gonna obviously wear my Apple Watch as well, put it on outdoor walk and see what happens. Final look. I think she's ready to go. Elsa, are you ready to go on a walk? Okay, I gotta go guys. Far one. Look at you. Okay, hi guys, good morning. Today it is Tuesday, June the 18th, and tomorrow's my birthday. But today I just woke up and realized that I actually did tan a little bit yesterday. I went out for a walk with Elsa and I used my brand new Apple Watch to tell me how many steps I did and everything. It was so cool. It was so awesome. It was so informative. But I'm going to do a little bit of makeup and a little bit of a ballet class. I love this outfit that I'm wearing right now. This leotard is from Wear Moi. And then the skirt is obviously Pop Flex because it's one of my favorite brands ever. But like I said before, my shoes need to be sewn, and I say this every vlog. Guys, we're gonna have to count how many vlogs it's been since I've said that I need to sew a new pair of shoes. Probably been about like a month or two worth of vlogs, which is way too long, but guys, I just can't bring myself to actually sew a new pair of shoes. I do have a brand new pair of shoes that I need to sew. I just can't bring myself to sew them. But I'm gonna do a little bit of makeup, just like mascara, because I am gonna take the dog for a walk after this, and I need to fix my hair because even though this would stay in a ballet class, it's not cute. So I love my new little makeup station. It's so aesthetic now, and I just get so excited to actually like sit down and do my makeup here because it's so cute with the little fairy lights and everything. It is not the best lighting. I should probably move this closer to the window because the window would obviously be the best lighting, and I don't have like a good artificial lighting fixture anymore because my tripod that you're currently sitting on is totally broken. So I don't have any good lighting anymore. And the husky light that I usually use for my classes is put away, and it's too heavy and too dirty, honestly, for me to deal with. It's like blackened because it's like a work light that people use during construction. We used it to paint the bathroom and, you know, do a bunch of things in our bathroom. But yeah, I'm just gonna do a little bit of mascara. Nothing crazy, nothing wild. I just sneezed a bunch, and you know when you do your mascara and you sneeze a bunch and it gets everywhere? But like I said, these shoes still need to be sewn. I should really just sew them, guys. It doesn't take that long to sew them. But I honestly just don't know where like my stitch kit is either, so whatever. Oh well. Oh, I kind of want to put these on too. I cannot fathom how some people wear pointe shoes without toe pads, because I tried to be that brave once and it was not good. It was not fun. I will never be that brave again. That was far too brave for me, I will say. See, I just literally need to sew it and then my life would be fine. You know? Oh well, I'll just tuck it in there for now. The ribbons will do their work. Guys, don't take my advice and don't take my, just don't follow my lead and not sewing your pointe shoes because it is dangerous. And it is not what you're supposed to do. You're supposed to have your shoes fully sewn when you wear them. The things we do. But you know what? One of the good things about creating content is it forces me to actually like move, because if I were not vlogging today, I would just be sat on my butt catching up on Love Island or something. And I have not been able to because Crave, even though we have one of the options for Crave, it requires you to have the ad-free version, which I'm like, first of all of these streaming platforms used to not have ads to begin with. And now a bunch of them are adding ads, even though you're paying full price for them. Plus, Crave increased their price of $100, so I'm low-key annoyed because I cannot afford that. But whatever. First world problem. Got the pointe shoes on. Okay guys, so I got a bunch of stuff at the mall when I went to lunch with my mom. I also got this giant coffee. I got this necklace, this crybaby necklace, because it's one of my favorite Melanie Martinez songs, and I'm gonna show you everything else I also got at the mall. So I also had to get this Portals t-shirt. I'm just obsessed with Portals. As you guys know, I love Melanie Martinez and I just love the graphics on this. So I got this shirt. I also got this shirt. This one's the most popular one I've seen people wear. I just love the pattern and the design, and I really like the artist that she used because they're all so incredibly different and beautiful. I also, the other one's downstairs because I was wearing it in my hair. I got these little, I forget what they're called, but they're from Spirited Away and Totoro. Oh shoot, what are they called? I'll have to put them here. My mind's blanking for a second. Soot Gremlins, that's it. Soot Gremlins. Thank you. And then I also got some free stuff at Sephora. I got this glow recipe thing. I'll open it and use it, I guess, tonight or tomorrow. But basically it has a plump hyaluronic cream, the watermelon glow, the guava vitamin C brightening gel eye cream, watermelon glow PHA and BHA pore tight toner, and a smooth drop with strawberry or something. But I'm really excited for this. I also got the Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Universal Daily Peel. And last but not least, I got the happy birthday present, which was the Youth to the People Kale and Green Tea Spinach Vitamin Superfood Cleanser, the Super Berry Hydrate and Glow Dream Mask, as well as the Superfood Air Whip Moisture Cream. So I'm gonna try all these skincare things out this week, but I'm gonna go get ready to go to the beach with my friend Amber. We're gonna go lay on the beach and hang before we go for dinner tonight. But yeah, that's everything. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the vlog. I guess it's continuing on the vlog for the weekend and the week. But today is June the 20th and yesterday was my birthday, which I took you guys along with me. I got in late last night after going for dinner with some of my friends, and I wanted to open up some of the stuff that I got from Sephora that I briefly showed you guys yesterday. So I'm gonna do my skincare and open up a couple of things. I do want to try this daily peel, but I don't know if it's better to do it at night before bed because I'm also gonna go clean the house and clean the cat litter, which means I'm gonna have to hop in the shower, and I also want to go swimming today, but I also have a lot of lessons, so we'll see what happens. So I might just save this for another day. I do want to try this for sure, but like I said, I'm gonna try out the things that I got for free. So this was in the birthday package, the Youth to the People free gift, and I love Youth to the People. I also want to open up the Glowy Skin BFFs from the Sephora Beauty Insider points system. I have like 800 points built up, so I used my points on this. I'm trying to open it. I like the print, it's cute. Come on. Here we go. It's got lots of stuff. I'm very excited about this box, but I am going to try it another day because like I said, I'm going to be cleaning the cat litter and doing a bunch of stuff. It's not as glamorous, so I want to save that stuff for a day where I can just really let it set into the skin because I'm going to have to wash my face in an hour or so anyway. So I'm going to unbox the Youth to the People birthday set. So it came with the Superfood Air Whip Moisture Cream, which I have tried before and I love, especially when my skin is super parched like it is now because it's been super warm out. And the green tea vitamin, spinach and vitamin ale face wash is one of my faves. I used to get it all the time. And then obviously the mask is awesome. So I don't think I'm gonna do the mask. I'm just gonna wash my face and then use their moisture cream and then go and clean the cat litter. I know it's such an interesting day, right guys? So I'm trying to debate what I should start cleaning first, and the last thing I want to clean is the guest room because that's where they're going to be staying. And the other last thing I want to clean is the cat room because I have to do the cat litter, and I hate cleaning the cat litter first because I feel dirty while I'm cleaning the rest of the house. So I think I'm going to start with the bathroom and go down to the main areas that they're going to be in. I'm not going to worry so much about our bedroom because they're not going to go in there, but I'll clean out the bathroom for sure because everybody's going to use the bathroom. This bathroom, main areas, guest room, downstairs bathroom, and I call it the cat room just because that's where the cat litter is, so the cat room.